Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In front of me I have POCO F8 Ultra. In this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset using your settings. Before starting, please ensure that you back up your data, because factory resetting your phone will erase all your personal data, your videos, photos, accounts, applications. Basically everything that you have on your phone will be erased. Let's open settings, and you want to go to section about phone. Now let's here find factory reset option, and this is the list of everything that will be erased. So review this list and tap erase all data at the bottom side of the screen. Now you'll be prompted to enter your current phone password, and here you can perform backup before factory resetting your phone. So press backup option, and if you don't want to do that, simply go with factory reset. And on your screen you will see this last warning. So press next button, and then your phone will shut down. It will perform the factory reset, and in the very end it will reboot. This process usually takes several minutes, and when your phone reboots, your device will be at the initial setup screen, just like the brand new device when you buy it from the store. So that's how you can perform factory reset in your settings using your settings. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.